G'day! In today's video I'm just doing a simple unboxing of an Asus Xonar SE sound card. I don't know what in particular makes it a gaming sound card as opposed to a regular sound card, because sound is typically sound. Inside, one Xonar SE revision 1.02. Inside, one box, one little bracket, some screws that have escaped, half-height bracket, warranty card, and a quick install guide. Here's a PCI 1x card. And we have the front audio jack or header right here. So, pretty simple. I'm going to put that in the machine right now. Not much of excitement in there. Definitely a very light on box. But one card, exactly what we need. Very simple unboxing. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.